everyone, thanks for stopping by for another video. And if you are new, welcome. Please consider joining our family and hitting the subscribe button, and welcome back to all of my returning subscribers. And today's video is, much to my surprise, the Look Fantastic box for August. Thought I canceled this, but evidently I did not. So we are going to open this box and find out what's inside. And for those that don't know, I have some notes here because I never remember how much things cost. Look Fantastic is $19 a month, and I do believe that equates to about 15 pounds because this is a UK box. And 1 pound is equal to $1.27 in the US. So for products, you know, if it's 10 pounds, 15 pence, you know, you can sort of gauge it by our dollar versus their pound. You do get 6 beauty products, and they have a rolling subscription. So you can either choose 1 month, which is the monthly, 3, 6, and 12-month options. And that means that you still will be billed each month for the $19, but you're basically committing to a 3, 6, or 12-month guaranteed subscription for them. So then I do believe you save a little bit of money, but I'm not really sure. And this box has free international shipping, so that's what makes it an even better value. And you get the latest edition of the Elle magazine, the UK version, and it's like a mini version, and they promise a value of over 65 pounds in each box. So we'll take the lid off, and these boxes are always pretty nice. And this is what inside the box looks like. You always get a little book that tells you, and it gives you the September spoiler. It tells you what the products are and so forth, so we'll use that. And this is the version of the Elle magazine that you get. So it's, you know, it's not, it's like the size of maybe by like 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. And this says complimentary copy, and this is August 2019. So I'll save that to read. And then this, it's always wrapped nice with their sticker. I'm just going to dive right in and see what this box includes. Since I wasn't expecting it, I thought I canceled. I was trying to get rid of boxes maybe that I wasn't like loving. And I see a couple products in here that are very nice. So maybe it's supposed to be fate that I was supposed to get this one. I don't know. And today's Sunday and very casual day for me. I generally don't film on Sunday, so I'm very casual hair. Just threw it up. The very first item I see is a brush, and this is a Luxie brush. I will be keeping this one because I love Luxie. So we'll take it out of the packaging. A little misshapen, but you can reshape that by washing it or just doing that. And I like, they have the imprint here for your thumb. And this is the Luxie 737. This is tapered highlighting. I don't know if that's going to come up on camera. We'll see. Tapered highlighting. That's a nice brush. You could use this for anything that you wanted to, you know, put powder on or whatever. But when you hold it, your thumb rests there, so it's really nice. Performance, and Luxie brushes are always so smooth and nice. And they're giving this a value of 26 pounds 50 pence. Luxie's very expensive. I always have a dog that has to start right in the middle of my video. One always starts to after I swear she hears me talking and there's recording, and then therefore so we have something wrapped up here in bubble. Let me see if I can just push it out rather than unwrap it. Yes, I think I can get it out. This is a little palette, and this is from Bella Pierre, and this is their Heat Wave highlighting palette, and this is worth 29 pounds 99 pence. That's a lot of money for a highlighting palette, and it does not have a mirror. To show you, these are the shades. Don't mind my nails, I'm going to be doing them. They're a mess. So these are the shades. I probably won't keep this just because I have quite a few Ofra highlighters and I do love them, so I might share that in a giveaway, in a future giveaway with someone. So I will save this because then that's a good wrap for that. And that, well, let me show you the book. So here is the information on the Luxie brush, and I do have pictures of this that I will put at the end of the video, close-ups. And then here is the first section for the Bella Pierre highlighter palette. And then the next product we're going to do is from, Vita Liberata, and this is in the shade Latte, and this is a beauty blur. What is a beauty blur? Primer and a self tanner. I don't know if I would do a self tanner, but a primer maybe. So I'll show you what the box. I don't know if I showed you what the box looks like. So this is what the box looks like, and then this is what the product looks like. Holding it up to the light, it's not a full bottle because I can see on this side here, I can see an air gap all right in here. So this is in the shade Latte. Let me see. It has a safety seal first of all. It does not. So I'll put a little bit on my hand. Sometimes for a primer. So there it is on my hand. And I'm just gonna. The Latte is actually not a bad color for my skin tone. I mean, it might be. So I rubbed it in right there. It's not a bad match for my skin tone. Definitely would give me a little bit of color, a little bit of a tan. It smells nice. Almost smells like a little bit of a soft tanner, but not in a bad way. I mean, it smells good, but that is definitely adding a little bit of color, and that is worth, let me see where that is in here, 12 pounds, and that is at the bottom of this page there. It's a lot of money for that, but that's not horrible. The next product is from Natura, and this is a herb infused sheet mask. So there it is right there, and this has a value of 4 pounds and 95 pence. Yeah, just your typical mask you wear 15-20 minutes. Blemish control and rebalances your complexion, and I like the packaging because it's more like a paper feeling packaging. So that's nice. I never turn down a mask, and that is right there in the book. And then I see from Rituals we have a body cream, and this is worth 6 pounds 90 pence, and this is body cream that softens and conditions, infused with delicate scent of flamingo flower. I never heard of that. And invigorating pink grapefruit, and it's quick absorbing cream, melts effortlessly into your skin. See, that's why I don't record on Sunday. It's my day just to relax. Oh, that smells nice. We'll put a bit. I don't really keep a lot of creams, so I might keep this one, obviously, now that I used it. And it's just your typical, typical cream. And it does, like they said, it does blend in nicely. I mean, I just gave that a few swipes there. And I love, not necessarily, sometimes for my arms, elbows, but for my hands, that might be too much. I would not put that on my whole body, but maybe just on my hands, and that feels nice. It's nice and creamy. Sometimes I hate putting cream on and then the palms of your hands are all greasy. I wind up then washing my hands just to get all that off the palm of my hands, and then again you wind up removing it from the top too. But that smells good. I don't think I would want that all over my whole body. That's a little too fragrant for me. And that, did I tell you that was 6 pounds 90 pence? And that's in the bottom there, bottom of the page. And then the last product that was in the box is a sample of, if I could just see where this is from. I think this is Douce, and this is a lip stain. And here's this. You can see it's sample size. They're saying this is worth 11 pounds 95 pence. I would assume that's for a full size. That's not for this. And I'm going to open this because I do love lip products. If I can get it open. It has the story. Here we go. They give you the little perforated pulls, but I can't always get them open either. There we go. And it's actually pretty warm here today. I mean, it's nice that we were able to put the air conditioning off, but then it starts to get a little warm, so you need a fan. So there's the color with the wrapping off. Nice doe foot applicator. And I'm just gonna, where am I gonna put that? I'll put that on this hand. You guys can see the color. That's like a coral, almost like a coral color. Let me just, so there's the color. Here's the bottle, and then there's the color. I mean, it's actually nice. I don't know if that's a matte or not. Yeah, highly pigmented lip stain, so it's at the top there. And in the book, they give you like sun care essentials. They give you lots of good information in these books. If you just take a few minutes, if you're sitting down, with a cup of tea or coffee or, a cold beverage, and, it gives you like little tips and tricks. Plus it does give you information to read about the products. So I like that. So that is the box for August 2019. And I don't think they theme their boxes. So, we have a nice body cream, a face mask, which is always nice. We have the Bella Pierre highlighter palette, which is always appreciated. The Luxie brush, which I love. And this lip stain right here, which is a nice color. So that did dry down already, and you can see that. Oh, and then the last product we got was from Vita Liberata, and this is definitely, it's on my hand right there. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I can see that it did give a little bit of color. So like if they said it was a tan or a little bit of a soft tanner, I would definitely believe that it would add a little bit of color to your face, which might not be a bad thing. Now before you know it, we're going to be heading into, the fall and so forth. And everybody's going to be super pale again, so it might not be a bad idea to have but I don't know sometimes that stuff clogs your pores. So that is everything that is in the box, and this is the Look Fantastic box for August 2019. So let me know what you think. Since I thought I canceled it, but I didn't, I don't think, I'll have to check, but it came the other day, and I was like, why am I getting this box? I thought I canceled it. So let me know if you think I should keep on getting this one so that you guys can see what's in it. Or let me know if you think I should truly cancel it and not get September. I'm not sure if I want to keep Glossy Box and Look Fantastic, but if you guys still want to see both, then I will continue to get both. So let me know in the comments down below your opinion on that. And thank you so much for watching today, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.